taking the pressure off tradespeople. With the KESSEL Minilift family. Modern ultra-small lifting stations for almost every application. Space-saving, plug-in ready and maintenance-friendly. The Minilift S compact solution for sinks, showers and bidets. With very little space, it is exactly the right lifting station with its super compact size. The powerful 250-watt pump can handle pumping heights of over 5 meters. The Minilift M All-Rounder is versatile and adapts perfectly to the spatial conditions. It is suitable for wastewater without sewage, such as sinks, bathtub and dishwashers. The pumping volume is easily adjustable, and thanks to the wide range of connection options, it is perfect for renovations. The 750-watt pump can be maintained without using any tools, thanks to our innovative click system. The space-saving Minilift L is a true all-rounder and extremely versatile. Our Minilift L can be used for all applications. The resistant variant is even resistant to hot water for saline and acid wastewater. A 300, 500 or 1000 watt pump can be selected depending on the power requirement. The Minilift MWC small lifting station is the most compact model for toilets, urinals and showers. As a result, it is ideally suited for pre-wall installation. The robust stainless steel shock twister macerator provides reliable crushing. The Minilift MWC is particularly versatile, thanks to its choice of toilet connection and its many connection options. The hygienic model with a dry installed pump, the Minilift LWC guarantees excellent accessibility to all maintenance components thanks to its design. The Minilift LWC has an acoustic alarm function in the event of a fault, and therefore provides 24/7 around-the-clock protection. The Minilift LWC is particularly versatile thanks to its choice of pressure pipe or toilet connection and its many connection options. The reliable Minilift LWC Duo for wastewater with sewage is equipped with 2 powerful 750-watt pumps. If one pump fails, the second pump helps out. If more wastewater is present, the system can handle this without any problem, thanks to its powerful boost function. In the event of a fault, the Minilift LWC Duo warns you with an acoustic signal. It also has a practical Wi-Fi function. We are synonymous with brand quality. That's why we provide a 5-year warranty on the entire Minilift range, including all components such as pump motors, control panels, etc. Taking the pressure off tradespeople. With the new KESSEL Minilift family,